No, the world is mine. Today on a bus, I saw a lovely girl with silken hair. I envied her. She seemed so gay, and I wished I was so fair. When suddenly she rose to leave, I saw her hobble down the aisle. She had one leg and wore a crutch, but as she passed, a smile. Oh God, forgive me when I whine. I have two legs, the world is mine. And then I stopped to buy some sweets. The lad who sold them had such charm. I talked with him. He seemed so calm. And if I were late, it would do no harm. And as I left, he said to me, I thank you. You have been so kind. It's nice to talk with folks like you. You see, I'm blind. Oh God, forgive me when I whine. I have two eyes. The world is mine. With legs to take me where I'll go. With eyes to see the sunsets glow. With ears to hear what I would know. Oh God, forgive me when I whine. I'm blessed indeed. The world is mine.